Hello students, I am Anamika and in this video we are going to discuss trigonometric function. So before that we should know what is positive angle and what is negative angle. So for example, if this is a ray and this position is called initial side, and if this ray will rotate and make an angle, that is, for example, the angle is 30 degree, then the position where this ray rotates and stops is called terminal side. Terminal side. And if since we can see that the ray rotates in anti-clockwise direction, that is in this way, then the theta will be positive. Theta will be positive theta. And if this ray rotates in anti-clockwise direction, that is in this way, then theta will be minus 30 degree, that is minus theta, that is angle will be minus. So let's come to the trigonometric functions. So first of all, I take an unit circle. So what is a unit circle? Unit circle is a circle whose radius is 1, that is r is equal to 1. So first of all, we will draw a unit circle, that is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. And we will name it as A, B, C, D. So we can see that A coordinate is 1, 0, B coordinate is 0, 1, C coordinate is minus 1, 0, and D coordinate is 0, minus 1. And if we take a point that is P, A, B in the circle, that is let P is the point in the circle, then this will be the radius, that is this will be 1. And for example, this make an angle x, so it will be A and it will be B. And since O is the origin, and if we will name it as M, then we have taken cos x equal to A and sin x equal to B. Since this triangle, that is OMP, is a right angle triangle, then we have a formula, that is OP square equal to OM square plus MP square. Then we can see that OP is 1, since this is the radius of the circle, then it will be 1 square equal to OM is A, then it will be A square. Again MP is B, then it will be B square, that is equal to 1 equal to, since we have taken A is equal to cos x, then it will be cos square x. Again we have taken B is equal to sin x, then it will be sin square x. And this is the formula, and we have used it in previous classes also, that is class 10, and we will use it later also. Again we can see that one complete revolution is 360 degree, that is 2 pi. So we can see that AOB is pi by 2, that is 90 degree. Again AOC is 2 pi, that is AOC is pi, AOC is pi, that is 2 into pi by 2, that is 180 degree. Again AOD, that is this portion, AOD is equal to 3 pi by 2, Thus, we can see that all are the integral multiple of pi by 2. Then, the angle which are integral multiple of pi by 2 are called quadrilateral angle. Again, we can see that coordinates are A coordinate is 1, 0, B coordinate is 0, 1, and C coordinate is -1, 0, and D coordinate is 0, -1. Then, we will find the values of cos and sin. If we put 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. So, if we put x equal to 0, that is cos 0 degree, and we have taken that cos x equal to a, then if x is 0, that is this line, if this line makes only 0 angle, that is there is no angle, that is this portion, that is this line will make only 0 angle, that is there is no angle, then it will be equal to a. Then here the a coordinate is 1, then cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Again, if we write x is equal to 0 in place of sin x, that is sin 0 degree, then it will make 0 angle, that is no angle. Then we have taken that sin x equal to b, then here b is equal to 0, that is the coordinate of b is equal to 0, then sin 0 degree will be 0, that is 0. Again, if we put x equal to pi by 2 in cos x, then it will make this angle, that is 90 degree. Then here we can see that we have already taken that cos x equal to a, then in this position, that is in this position, here a coordinate is 0, thus cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Again, if we put x equal to pi by 2 in place of sin x, then we can see that here b coordinate is 1, then sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Again, if we put x equal to pi in place of cos x, then it will make an angle 180 degree, that is this angle. Then here a coordinate is -1, because we have taken cos x equal to a, then a will be -1. Thus, if x equal to pi, then a coordinate is -1, that is -1. Again, if we put x equal to pi in place of sin x, then that is in sin x, then it will make this angle, that is 180 degree, and here b is equal to 0. Thus, sin pi is equal to 0. Since we have taken sin x equal to b, and in place of x we put pi by pi, and it will make angle pi. So here the coordinate b is 0, so it will be 0. Again, if we put 3 pi by 2 in place of x in cos x, then it will make this angle, that is 3 pi by 2. Then it will make cos 3 pi by 2. Since it makes 3 pi by 2, then here x a coordinate is 0, then it will be 0. Again, if we put x equal to 3 pi by 2 in sin x, then sin 3 pi by 2 is equal to -1, since here b coordinate is -1. So sin 3 pi by 2 is equal to -1. Again, if we put x equal to 2 pi in place of x in cos x, it will cos 2 pi equal to, thus it will make 360 degree angle. So if we put x is equal to 2 pi in cos x, then it will be cos 2 pi, then it will make 360-degree angle. Then here a coordinate is 1. Then it will be 1. Since we have taken cos x equal to a and a is here 1. Again, if we put x equal to 2 pi in place of x in sin x, then it will be 0 because here p is 0. Thus, sin 2 pi is 0. Again, we can observe that if x is increases or decreases by any integral multiple of 2 pi, the values of sine and cosine function do not change. Thus, sin 2n pi plus x equal to sin x and cos 2n pi plus x equal to cos x. For example, if we take sin 2 pi plus x, then it will be sin x because here n is equal to 1. Then it will be sin x. Similarly, cos 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x. So that's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss the trigonometric chart that we have. So thank you, students.